A discount of 30% on the price of a pair of trousers enables a person to buy 3 more pairs for rupees 7,000. What are the discounted and the original prices of a pair? Now, whenever we see such kind of a question, we can easily do it by using options and one easy concept. Okay. For such kind of questions, the amount which is given, that amount is spent before the discount as well as after the discount. Okay. So now if the person who is shopping, if he would have taken directly 30% discount, okay, we could have got the discount as 30% of the amount, that is 7,000 in this case. So the zeros get cancelled out. 30 into 70, we get 2100. So the person could have just got a 2100 rupees discount. But instead, what he did, he got 3 more pairs. Okay. So that means in 2100, he spent this amount again and he got 3 extra pairs. So that means the price now is 700 rupees per pair. Now, looking at the options, there is only one option, which is option A, and therefore we can mark that answer. But we can verify it as well. Okay. 700 is the new price. Now, this new price is after 30% discount. Now, we know the formula. New value is equal to old into multiplier. Now, the new price is 700. Old price we have to find out. Now, here it is a discount. So, the multiplier will be 1 minus the fraction equivalent of this, that is 3 by 10. So, that is 7 by 10. So, solving this, you will get the answer as old price is equal to 1000 rupees. Now, previously also, the person was spending 7,000. So, the old quantity, this is the old price, the old quantity will be 7,000 upon 1000, that is 7. And from here, you can get the new quantity, 7,000 upon the new price, that is 700. So we get the answer as 10. This is the new quantity. You can see that there is an increase of 3 as per the data given. So therefore, all our answers are correct.